kindly subscribe to this channel. Subscribe below, click the button so that anytime I post something interesting about my travels or my business channel, you're able to see more information about my travels. So fact 1 about the lions. Lionesses give birth to an average of 3 cubs weighing less than 2 kgs after a 3.5-month gestation. So they give birth to an average of 3 cubs. That is in a period of 3.5 months. You can imagine how crazy that is. So at 2.5 years, they get to puberty, and the lions are forced out of the pride. So by 3 years, I can imagine my little baby at 3 years is already being kicked out of the pride to go and look for another pride and lead it. Lions spend roughly 20 hours resting, and they hunt early morning or late in the evening or at night. So if you go to the national parks, you realize that you'll find most of the lions asleep during the day when it's hot, but they hunt at night. So most of the day they're sleeping. Then fact 4, young males stay together and take over a pride as a team. They control the pride for 2 to 3 years before they are overthrown. They take the pride and they work as a team, and after that they are thrown out. Did you know that lions are social animals? They live and hunt in prides, so you will find them working together. Rarely do you find one lion alone, and if it is alone, then it means it has been kicked out of its pride or pack. So therefore they are always in groups, and the male take over. When the male take over, they kill the cubs of the lioness that is under 1 year, which is part of the reproductory strategy. Therefore, if you invite a male in as a lioness, then it has to kill the young cubs, which is what nature is about. So I want to share the story of the lion in the orphanage. I remember this time we went to Kisumu Impala, and we had taken a lion when I used to work in Kenya Wildlife Service, and I wanted to share something about the lion that we experienced. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell so that anytime we post, you can see something about it. That is the sound of a lion. Joseph, itapita na gate. Shika Joseph. Nipate huko juu. Sak. Munga mzikutane na bea huko. Haya amuke. Ambie amuke. Hii ni katili. Kwa ile tulikuwa naye tulikuwa tunaita ile. Sak. 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 Which cause Sak. Ahora subuha takuja hapo. Aja. Andala. As always, this has been Miss Nyakiba. Please subscribe to my channel so that I can continue sharing my travel stories, how I interacted with animals, wild animals, and how I had a great experience traveling in most Kenyan parks and abroad. Thank you. Subscribe below. Thank you.